making
Halva.
For those of you who don't know what halva is, it's a sesame seed based treat. It's super good, just like candy. The first part of it is taking half a kilo of raw tahini and putting it in our mixer. We're just gonna let it sit there for now while we move on to our next step, which is taking half a kilo of brown sugar and adding it into our bowl. And then we are going to add a cup of water. And we're gonna turn on the heat.
Now we're gonna stir it
until it has a syrup-like texture. Now that our syrup has come to a boil, we're gonna let it sit here for 7 minutes till it has a syrup-like texture. For our next step, you must have a grown-up help you. So you're gonna take your syrup and you're gonna pour it on the edge into your mixer with your raw tahini. And then when you're done adding all of your syrup very slowly, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So just gonna add it really slowly so you don't burn yourself because this can result in injury. Add our vanilla. And we're just gonna let it mix for about a couple minutes. We're about a minute after, and now we're gonna be taking our mixture and we're gonna put it into these English cake tins, and we're just gonna let them sit there for about 7 minutes, and then it should harden. The other one. Now we're gonna add some nuts on it. You can add whatever you like, but we just decided to add some nuts. And we're gonna leave our other one plain. And looks almost about good. And that's perfect. So we've let our halva sit in the fridge overnight. You can freeze it if you want in the freezer. But I think it's now officially time for the taste test.
It's really good, and I think you guys should really try this out because the texture of it is just super good.
Yeah, I love it. It's got good taste. It's not too sweet, but it's not bitter at all, and it's just really good. It tastes good, and overall, it's absolutely delicious.
It really is amazing.
Before you leave this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.